Hi guys, welcome back. The much hype upcoming Reno series has leaked for several times now. Once for all, the final spec sheet is out, revealing all the major features and specifications. It's a new series under Oppo targeting next generation smartphone user.
Okay, first start with variant. To start with, the first generation Reno series will multiple handset price at different categories. It has already confirmed that there will be two variant of Reno series. The top variant will be run on Snapdragon 855 while the light variant will be come with Snapdragon 710. Now let's talk about the display and design. While the exact screen size is not yet confirmed, but the recent leaks hint at 6.4-inch Full HD plus display with resolution of 2340 x 1080 pixel, while the top end variant will measure 162 x 77.2 x 9.3 mm and weight around 215 gram. And the Reno series will be a OLED display with expected to 93.1% screen to body ratio. And yes, there is a pop-up selfie camera for these Reno series. Let's talk about the hardware and software part. The Snapdragon 855 will be powered to top-end model and the light model will come with Snapdragon 710, while the top-end may be come with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, and the light variant will become with 4GB or a 6GB RAM and up to 128GB storage. The smartphone will run on latest ColorOS 6 based on Android 9.0. The Oppo Reno 10X zoom model will be a copper tube and liquid cooling technology, and there is a mid-range smartphone will be a graphite sheet. So let's talk about the camera. The Snapdragon 855 Oppo Reno variant will be featuring 10x lossless zoom technology with the help of periscope. The top model will be featuring triple rear camera setup, where the base model will become with a dual camera system. The smartphone will have a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor as the primary lens, along with the 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and there is a 13 megapixel telephoto lens. The whole system will be backed by Oppo latest 10x lossless zoom innovation, much like the recently launched Huawei P30 Pro. In terms of battery, the top model of Oppo Reno series will be a 4065 mAh battery. The smartphone will be sport 50-watt fast charging. This is probably third generation Vogue 3.0. The latest Oppo Vogue 3.0 charging is 23.8% faster than Vogue 2.0 standard. At the end, let's talk about the price and launch date. The Oppo Reno go officially its home market on April 10, and the price of Oppo Reno 10X zoom model will be around $600, and the light version of Oppo Reno smartphone will be cost around $300. So that's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button and let me know in the comment section what you think about this smartphone. I will catch you in next video. Till then, goodbye.